Turn your manual trading conditions into arrows and alerts. Create your own indicators for MetaTrader 4 and 5 or technical analysis tools for TradeStation. Now you can easily turn any manual trading system into a robot that trades Forex, stocks, or futures. It's quick and easy. The best thing about EA Builder is that the work is pretty much done in a few clicks. Turn your trading idea into an automated system within minutes, without hiring a programmer and without knowing anything about programming. Even professional programmers appreciate the benefits of creating indicators and strategies with a few short clicks. Trade Forex, stocks, and futures. You can create strategies to trade any financial instrument available on any of the 3 most popular trading platforms: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradeStation. Intuitive and straightforward. Start creating your first strategies or indicators within minutes. No manuals to study, nothing to install because it's a web-based application. Creation is pretty straightforward, and every feature has a pop-up tip that guides you with a short explanation, so you never get lost. Loads of features. Only want to trade at specific times of the day? Want to limit the number of trades or trade duration? All it takes is a single click. Custom indicators and functions. Besides all the standard indicators and amazing built-in functions such as trend lines, support, resistance, and time of day, you can add custom indicators or custom functions, so there are really no limitations on what you can do with EA Builder. Alerts. Audible alerts, email alerts, print-to-output window, and so on are convenient ways to get notified that trades have been executed or new indicator arrows have shown up. Money management. Money management techniques set up with a few clicks will ensure that your account is never exposed to substantial losses. Nice output. The generated code is human-readable, well-commented, and neatly formatted. It uses no objects, classes, or advanced functions, and it is contained in a single file. You don't need to understand the code. Just download it. However, for non-professionals interested in diving into the source and learning something about it, this is a great tool. Binary options. In addition to standard market and pending orders, you can trade binary options directly on MetaTrader 4. A short video tutorial will guide you through how to use this new feature. Video tutorials. There are 14 video tutorials ranging from 5 to 10 minutes in length, designed to help you discover the full potential of the EA Builder. Creation is demonstrated in both MetaTrader 4 and TradeStation, so you will get step-by-step guidance on how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. Bonuses. Our examples provide great inspiration as to what you can create with EA Builder. In addition to the video tutorials, we have also created 3 cool indicators: trend-colored, CCI-colored, and trend line break alert, that can be used as they are to improve your trading or modify it in any way you like. Get free access to create custom indicators. Click on the Free Access button and sign up with a single click. With the free version, you can create indicators for MetaTrader 4 and 5 and technical analysis tools for TradeStation. For a one-time payment, you can create automated strategies as well.